What's up, miners? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine Dash using the Unminable app and also some miner programs for CPU and GPU which will deliver additional performance. If you are not familiar with Dash, I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out. To give you an idea, we're gonna go to coingecko.com and looking for the coin here, we can see the rank is 88 and the price is $138 per coin. So the first thing that you need to do is get a wallet for the coin, so you can get your own public address to receive the funds, and you have some options like Trust Wallet, Exodus, Atomic Wallet, Guarda. All the links are going to be in the description. After this, you are going to open up your Windows security, and we are going to go to Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, scroll down for exclusions, add or remove exclusions, and you are going to place an exclusion on a folder. In my case, I selected in the desktop exclusions. This is my folder, and you place the exclusion there so you can download the file into that folder without them being flagged as malware, even though they are not. So you're going to go to unminable.com, download. We are going to download the file on the left, the MFI version. We're going to save the file into that folder. We're going to press Ctrl J in Chrome to allow it to keep the dangerous file. We're going to say keep anyway, show in folder, and from here we are going to extract our file. We click extract here, and we have the file, the Unminable app. We can right click it, run as administrator. Once the program loads, we're going to click continue. We're going to select CPU. We can select GPU if we have graphics card 4 GB up. We click next. We select our coin from the drop down. We enter our address and we place this code to drop the dev fee from 1% to 0.75%. Details are going to be in the description. Click start. We are going to allow this 1 minute to ramp up. We're going to check the settings of the program. We're making sure that we are in a high intensity. We have the name of the worker, the code, and just click save and restart. We're going to see our hash rate in the bottom left, around 1,300. This confirms we are mining. So now I'm going to close this program, and I'm going to show you a different way, which is going to give you additional hash rate. So in my exclusion folder, I have two programs. I have XMRig, which is used only to mine with CPU, and I have Gminer, only to be used when you are mining with a GPU. Let's go to Browse MRig. I made a modification to the XMRig so that you just have to right click this file, run as administrator, and it will ask all the details for the configurations that you need. So I'm gonna type Dash because that's the coin that I want to mine. I'm gonna paste my address, then the location that is closer to you, and a name for the for your worker. Okay. We're gonna leave a few seconds for the program to build the configurations, and we press enter, and the program will start mining. It will connect to the Unminable pool, and the process starts. Now let's do the same with Gminer. So for those of you mining with a GPU, we are going to right click, start mining, run as administrator. The program is going to ask for all the details that we need. We're going to type the coin, our address, we're going to type allocation, and it will ask us to type the algorithm according to the memory that we have in our GPU. So if you have a 4 GB card, you type etc hash. If your card has more than 4 GB, you type et hash. Enter, and now the name of the worker. In my case, I'm gonna say worker GPU. Press enter, and the program will start mining. In my case, I cannot mine with this GPU because it's 1 GB. Okay, but it will connect on your case, and it will start mining with the Unminable pool. Now, getting back to XMRig, you can see I have a hash rate of 1,600, which is additional to what I had before, and this is because I'm recording at the same time. Pressing the letter H you will see a detail of your hash rate. This confirms I'm mining with Unminable, and that's all there is to it. Just like that, you're mining with the Unminable pool. I'm going to be available to help you via Telegram with setup and optimizations, and the link is going to be in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.